Well, welcome back everyone to Doggone RV'N Travels with my girls. Well, we're out here in our little rig this morning. It's chilly. The thermometer says it's 43 degrees in this rig, and I can feel it. Out here, still working on packing it the best I can, deciding what I truly need. I'm trying to get things down as far as uh, food supply to a 2 week maximum amount. Uh, Food I can cook up in my Instapot that'll make several meals for the week, and just more fixings than product. I can use the fixings for all kinds of things I make, and I can get products that can make multiple meals of various types, and that's what I'm aiming at. That'll cut down a lot of the food that I seem to carry and never seem to use. It's like I stock too much food as if it was going to be an emergency or Armageddon or something like that. So anyway, besides that, I'm still trying to pack the stuff in here I want to take. Like I built a side shower for my rig here, and I want to try that out this next trip. Problem is, I'm trying to figure out where the heck to put it in here that it wouldn't be in the way, that I wouldn't have to constantly move it. And with all the other additions I've done to this rig, the spaces are getting tighter and tighter to put bulkier things like that in. So it's an exercise in organization and packing. But then, having served on a nuclear submarine for several years and being the logistics petty officer, where it was my job to put things in the submarine securely, uh, at least I've got some experience to fall back on. Other than that, we're getting close to taking off. I've been keeping track of the weather forecast going down the coast, and it seems like the storms we had last January 2020 have been delayed until now, 2021. And I think that's because our 2021 January was fantastic. You know, it was like spring, incredible. And you can see that by watching my uh, earlier videos of our state parks down the coast of Washington. So now they've decided to come in with a vengeance. And it's taken up the entire Washington, Oregon coast, even dipping down into California, it seems. So I've kind of just given up hoping to get the sunshine until I get maybe down farther south and east of California. So, other than that, we're trying to be prepared so this trip can be the best possible. It's going to be interesting to see how things have changed after a year of COVID panic. And I'm just hoping for the best. You know, I'm just kind of an explorer. I'm going to get out there and see what's changed since last year this time, and talk to people and find out where people's heads are this year after everything we've gone through. So it'll be an experience, that's for sure. And hopefully, the more we go into this year, the more things will be relaxed. People will uh, be able to get back to some resemblance of normality that we had back in 2019 and early 2020. So right now, that's all we can hope for. Um, Other than that, I got to replace my stereo system up here, and hopefully the new one I'm going to be putting in will be a big improvement over how this one's worked for me the past year. And other than that, I have to sanitize my fresh water tank, prep my toilet, do the usual preliminaries, and hope it doesn't freeze again after I get those things prepped and filled, and get the heck out of here in a couple of weeks, possibly. So I'll leave it at that. and wish all of you out there safe travels and woof woof.